Introducing a new technology in the field of dentistry, a fast, objective, and accurate way to grade students' dental prep. This compact and portable device eliminates the need for traditional measuring tools. It is an automated measuring device that employs robotics and laser sensing technology to scan 2D and 3D models of dental prep. The DT-PrepScanner stands as a formidable instrument for grading, measuring, and optimizing tooth preps. Its software facilitates efficient auto-grading of students, crafting tailored rubrics, and reviewing scanned 3D and 2D preps, all within a single, comprehensive, user-friendly platform. Upon initiating the DT-PrepScanner software with login credentials, users are directly guided to a selection interface. Here, they can add or choose from the available courses, groups, and tasks to which they intend to submit or scan their tooth preparations. From an extensive typodont library, they select the tooth type, fill in the requisite fields, and choose from the specific scanner modes. Subsequently, they can scan the tooth, either intact or prep, visualize a 3D representation of the scanned tooth, and then upload it to the cloud for grading. The Setup Rubric feature offers a choice of preloaded rubrics for grading. Alternatively, instructors can tailor the rubrics to align with their specific grading standards and create a rubric from scratch to use for grading by using the rubric creator. Users can engage with numerous measuring criteria such as convergence, smoothness, distance, and angle, and switch views between the intact and prep tooth. They can also view the tooth from different angles. Once a rubric has been selected, the instructors then select reference points upon which the students will be graded. Depending on which variable the instructor will be grading the students on, the instructor will need to select a specific view of the tooth and choose the number of points required within the software to measure. These values can be integrated into the custom rubric. Based on the values from these reference points, the instructor can manually modify and fine-tune the grading to their desired level of stringency or leniency. An acceptable range could render a mark of 2 or 1, while falling outside the range would necessitate a score of 0. With the PrepScanner software, students can be easily evaluated on variables like axial convergence and occlusal reduction. To establish a rubric reference for axial convergence, start by clicking Convergence in the software. Then, select specific points on the tooth, and the software calculates the axial convergence angle. An image on the screen visually represents this angle using a prepped tooth model. For occlusal reduction, by choosing distance in the software and adjusting the slider between prep and intact and selecting 2 points, one on the intact tooth and another on the prep tooth. This action reveals the desired distance, clicking Add Reference captures and records these values. Instructors can manually adjust these values to set the level of stringency or leniency they want for student evaluations. Once the reference points and grading scale are defined, instructors can save this custom rubric for consistent use in evaluating student work. To commence grading, under Grade Students, instructors can choose from their custom rubrics and apply the auto-grade feature. Simply selecting the row and clicking Grade allows for the rapid grading of each student on each criterion. To understand how the system grades the students, the software integrates the reference point values initially established by the instructor during rubric creation. Based on these reference points, the software is capable of detecting the points on which different students will be graded, automatically ensuring efficient and accurate grading. Additionally, instructors have the option to manually select the points upon which to evaluate the student's prep. This can be done by selecting the points within the student's scanned prep tooth, similar to the process used during rubric creation. The integrated camera in the device allows for the quick capture of images of adjacent teeth, which can be uploaded and reviewed to identify potential damage to the adjacent teeth during the procedure. The software further provides a comparison feature, enabling a direct contrast between a student's dental prep and an instructor's prep. This facilitates deeper analysis, allowing for an understanding of the basis for each grade. Once completed, instructors can submit the grades, and students will receive an email on the specified report date. With PrepScanner software, students can view the instructor's prep and compare it to an intact tooth. This helps them gain a deeper understanding of reductions and angles before they proceed with their prep tasks. Additionally, students can self-assess their work by comparing it to the instructor's prep. They have access to measuring tools, ensuring their work is accurate before submitting it for grading. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the DT-PrepScanner. For more information, please don't hesitate to contact us. We look forward to helping you achieve excellence in dental education.